All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an initial setup. We're going to go to factory reset. Yes. And my M1KE is doing a complete factory reset. So when you first get it, let me just turn up the volume so you can hear it. So when you first get it and you turn it on, this is what you're going to see. And the bottom right key is your enter key. United States, United States.
Mic access points active.
Next. I'm going to skip the Wi-Fi. Well, no, I'm not. I'm going to do the Wi-Fi connection. Oh, let's go back. I don't want to skip. I want to do next. I definitely want to get on the internet. It scans for your networks that are available. And I'm going to put in my password and I'll be right back. All right, I entered the password and it went in and did its thing. Now I need to enter my call sign. So we'll do that. Call sign. This takes some time. Then you get down to the checkbox. It finds your DMR ID number. Do you have a valid license? Yes. Next. Oh. Yes. Next. Finish. And it's done. That's your initial setup. Now what you want to do is go to Quick Setup. And you can do this all with the keypad, or you can, at this point, go to sharkrf.link, and it should come up on your network. So I'm just going to click AllStar, Connect, select the server, and as you can see, it brings them all up. But we're going to go from here over to the app on the computer. All right, well, as you can see, we've got the screen up now. You type in sharkrf.link, and it should come up if it's on your network. Once you get to this point, there's a little eyeball here with a black line through it. If you click that, it actually brings up the screen on your M1KE. I'm just going to hit back, cancel that right back to the screen, and we could do everything from right here. So we can click Quick Connect Setup, look for a server. I'm going to use my node. As my server. Typing too fast. 5588551. There we go. W1MSG, Oxford, Massachusetts. We're going to use that server.
Mic disconnected.
Now, it's not going to connect, and I'll show you why. We do not have an AllStar token. We're going to request a token.
Mic disconnected.
And request that token. And as you can see, it's going to go through. It's going to get the token. And then what's going to happen is
Mic connected to AllStarLink 558851.
So now it's going to show where we're connected to my,
Give myself a pat on the back.
no, and we got guys already talking on there. So 558851
Yep,
is
got it
actually
working.
my node,
What's this running on?
and it is connected to 564201, the Triangle NC All-Star setup. That's as easy as it gets for doing All-Star. So that's your initial setup and into doing All-Star. Next video, I'm going to go over audio settings. Well, actually, let's do it right now. We came up with some audio settings for this. Gain to IAX2 network is 6. We'll save that. We'll come down here, and I think it was 20 minus 20, and then bottom this out. And be sure to click the blocks to turn them on. That's pretty much it for your All-Star settings. A couple of other guys have really worked on the settings for audio, and they basically wanted it to sound like an Anytone radio since they sound about the best. And there you have it. All right, hope you enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll be bringing you more videos as time comes. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.